If the keyboard is not working on your iPhone, or maybe it's glitching out and tapping on letters that you don't actually tap on, I'm going to walk you through some easy steps to definitely get that fixed. So let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do is close out of all of the currently opened apps and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, from the Settings app, let's check a couple of things. The first thing we're going to tap on is General, and then scroll down and tap on Keyboard midway down. You'll be able to see at the top it says Keyboards 2. Let's tap on that, and you can see my couple of keyboards on here. Try a different keyboard and see if that fixes it. So let's just hit Add a new keyboard, and on here, instead of English United States, I'm going to choose English UK. And now after I've done that, let's open up something with the keyboard. Tap on the little globe icon at the bottom left till you get to that different language, and now start to type and see if that fixes it, because sometimes it could be the keyboard itself that is corrupted. Now, if that does fix it, and you basically fix it by adding that other keyboard, we can always reset your current keyboard. In my case, it's English US. So I'm going to tap the back arrow until I get to my general settings and tap on transfer or reset iPhone at the bottom. And then let's choose reset towards the top. You're going to choose reset keyboard dictionary. Just tap on that and enter in the passcode you use to unlock your phone, and tap on reset. It says it will delete all of the custom typing and settings on your dictionary and return them back to factory defaults. And check to see if that fixes your issue. However, if it doesn't, that is no problem. Let's just tap the back arrow and check in the accessibilities to see if there's an issue in there. So scroll down and tap on accessibilities, and then scroll down towards the bottom and tap on keyboards and typing. Now, sometimes some of these settings can be changed and essentially change from their default. So I have all of the default settings here on my iPhone. Make sure your iPhone in the accessibilities looks the exact same as mine. So this is off, key repeat is on, off sticky keys, off slow keys, etc. After you've done that, let's tap the back arrow until we get to the beginning of your settings, and then tap on General towards the bottom and choose Software Update midway down. You can see basically go through the process of updating your phone. A lot of times keyboard glitches and fixes are baked into iOS, so just update your phone, and then just tap the back arrow here, and then tap the back arrow again and scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Screen Time here midway down, and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, if this is on, it could limit or restrict some of the functionality of your iPhone, so I would recommend trying to toggle this off and see if that fixes it. If none of these fix it, we can always do a hard restart or a hard reset on your iPhone. It's completely safe, doesn't delete anything. So I'll show you how to do that. We're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button. You can see it says slide power off. However, just keep holding that power button until you see the iPhone screen go black. And then after a few seconds, you'll see the Apple logo appear. When it does, you can release your finger and you will have fixed your iPhone keyboard. At this point, most channels ask you to like or subscribe. I'm not going to do that. I just want to thank you for spending a few minutes of your day here with me. I know your time is valuable, and I really hope that this video made your life a little easier today.